and represented in the Moscow Russian World Yoga Championship. And they have got 1 gold, 2 bronze medals in the same. Tennis, Mr. Bhopal. The students of DRSIS has participated in All India Tennis Talent Series and has bagged 2 silver medals. He's been awarded with a cash incentive and a memento. Swimming, Mr. Giridhar and Mr. Umesh. Our swimming coaches have trained our students to participate in the 29th Sub-Junior Inter-District Championship and CBSE South Zone Championship. The students have won 3 medals in the competition. Gymnastics, Mr. Kalyan Gaud and Mr. Sri Ramlu. Our gymnast coach has trained 2 of our students to participate in the 58th AP SGFI State Championship. Our sports coordinator, Mr. M.V. Bharat Kumar. Our students have achieved 132 medals for the academic year 2011 and 12. Our sports coordinator has played a significant role in achieving these medals. Under his motivation and guidance, all the students have won laurels to the school. The following students have represented the school in various competitions held in national, state and district levels. They have won laurels to DRSIS during the academic year 11 and 12. The students are given scholarship in the tuition fee as a token of appreciation. Master Zahir Khan of grade 9. He is represented in the skating competitions and he gets a waiver of 100% tuition fees. Miss Amreen Khan, grade 6. She has participated in the skating competition and gets a waiver of 50% on her tuition fee. Ruchika Jain of grade 10. She has participated in the skating competitions and gets a 50% waiver on her tuition fee. Master Garg Agarwal of grade 8. He has participated in the skating competition and he gets a 50% waiver on his tuition fee. Varun Vibash of IGCSE 10 has participated in the athletics and he gets a waiver on his tuition fee of 50%. Tarun Rakshit of grade 7 has participated in gymnastics and gets a fee waiver of 50% on his tuition fee. Master Burma Tarun of grade 8. He has participated in the India Book of Records and will be getting a 100% waiver on his tuition fee. Mr. Kushminder Gill, grade 12, has participated in the swimming competitions and he gets a 50% waiver on his tuition fee. Sudhir Nehta of grade 9 has participated in the karate competitions and he gets a waiver of 50% on his tuition fee. Sai Srija of grade 10 has participated in the karate competition and gets a 50% on her tuition fee. Fayaz Kadir Hussain of grade 9 has participated in the tennis competitions and he gets a 50% waiver on his tuition fee. Nitin G of grade 9 has participated in the tennis competition. The Appreciation Awards for books. It is heartening to congratulate our young in-house facilitators for their efforts in writing resource books for PYP students when no ready reference books were available to them. This served as a guide to our young PYP enquirers and their parents as well. Kudos to their efforts. May I now call upon Dr. Mona Lisa Das, PYP coordinator, to receive the appreciation certificate along with the assistant coordinators. Assistant Coordinators, Ms. Srilata, Ms. Pratna Thakur, along with her team members are Ms. Lavanya, Ms. Jyotsna, Ms. Lavanya for grade 1, Ms. Jyotsna for grade 1, and Ms. Dipali for grade 1. Mrs. Sumam for grade 2, along with Mrs. Kalpana for grade 2, Mrs. Florence, Dilshad and Janet for grade 3, Mrs. Pratima Dubey, Varakumari, Meera and Hema Patel for grade 4, Rakhi Bunya, Anita Jesh, Jyotsna Pandey and Uma Sridhar for grade 5. Along Pratima Dubey, Varakumari, Meera and Hema Patel for grade 4. Mrs. Rakhi Bunya, Anita Jesh, Jyotsna Pandey and Uma Sridhar for grade 5. Mrs. Sheena and Mrs. Betty John. Along with Mr. Pradeep Kumar, Mr. Sai Brahman, Mr. C.H. Raghubabu, Mr. Jaydo, Betty John, Mrs. Sheena, Mr. Jaydo, Mr. Pradeep, Mr. Sai Brahman, Mr. Raghubabu. Thank you, ma'am, for doing the honors. May I now request our CMD, Sir, Shri Dayanand Agarwal ji, to felicitate Mr. Prasad Rao. Though the school has completed 9 glorious academic years, our CEO and principal began the groundwork a year in advance, a decade of unstinted vision and mission. Sir, we are indebted to your valuable contributions to the school's success for the day of its inception. Under your able leadership, guidance and motivation, the school continues to take a giant stride in its growth in the School of Excellence. We are indeed fortunate to have you at the helm, giving the school its sense of direction and purpose. Sir has been felicitated with a shawl, a bouquet and a memento by our CMD, Shri Dayanand Agarwal ji. Let's give them a big round of applause. We thank you, sir, for being there. May I call upon Mr. Rakesh Bandari, GM Operations Edify Schools, to proceed with the Edify Awards.
Good evening, dignitaries on and off the dais. It is a moment of pride to be here on this stage on a day when our flagship school